Hi guys, welcome back to Echin Gourmet. Today we'll be making extremely delicious chicken Priyazo rolls. They are super easy to make, but before jumping into the recipe, make sure to subscribe to my channel and also don't forget to push on the notification bell. Now to make our chicken filling, heat about 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil and saute 1 small chopped onion until it slightly changes in color. Next, add in about 300 grams of boiled shredded chicken. For the spices, you need half teaspoon of salt or to taste, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder and coriander powder, quarter teaspoon of garam masala, which is allspice powder, and 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. Mix well and cook for 2 minutes. Lastly, add in some chopped coriander and capsicum. You can taste and adjust the spices at this stage. Our yummy chicken fillings ready. It's now time to make our chicken Priyazo rolls. Add a generous amount of chicken filling to your puff pastry and then roll them up. Slightly press on the edges and now prepare all your chicken rolls the same way. And our chicken puffs are ready to be baked. Now brush the chicken rolls with some egg wash and sprinkle some white sesame seeds on top. Sesame seeds are optional. If you don't have it on hand, it's okay. You can skip it. Now bake the chicken rolls at 180 degrees Celsius for 12 minutes or until it gets a lovely golden brown color. Look at these beautiful babies. They look amazing. Now to make it more pretty, apply some mayo on both the edges of the chicken rolls. Now cover the edges with some chopped coriander. Make sure to slightly cool them down a bit before doing so that you don't burn your hand. And now they look just perfect. These crispy chicken Priyazo rolls not only look appetizing, but they taste absolutely delicious. So make sure you do give this recipe a try. It's a great recipe for any occasion. Also make sure to share this recipe with all your friends and family. And I'll be sharing more easy and amazing recipes on my channel. So make sure you do subscribe now. If you like this recipe, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching and happy cooking!